Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. So, are you ready with your notebook and pen? Please always note down the points and tips I give you so that you can refer them anytime. Also, make a gender-wise list of every word which I mention while teaching. This will be very useful in future. Today we are starting a new lesson 8.6 Kasmat Sthanat. Kasmat Sthanat means from which place. In other words, we also can ask Kutah. Kutah means from where. Kasmat Sthanat or Kutah are replaced by the word in the ablative case of the noun in the answers. The word denoting the place from which ablation or separation is meant is in the ablative form. We use preposition from in this sense in English. Let's start the lesson. See the pictures of the places from where the boy comes home. एषः गृहम् आगच्छति. एषः कुतः गृहम् आगच्छति? एषः means this for masculine, so we will use boy. This boy comes home. From where does he come home? Kutah, from where? एषः वित्तकोशात् गृहम् आगच्छति. This boy comes home from a bank. वित्तकोशात् means from a bank. एषः रेलस्थानकात् गृहम् आगच्छति. This boy comes home from the railway station. रेलस्थानकात् means from the railway station. एषः पाठशालायाः गृहम् आगच्छति. This boy comes home from school. पाठशालायाः means from school. एषः नद्याः गृहम् आगच्छति. This boy comes home from the river. नद्याः means from the river. So, ablative case in English is Panchami Vibhakti in Sanskrit. Here in all these words, Vittakoshah is a Akaranta Pullinga Shabdah and its Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Vittakoshat. Relasthanakam is Akaranta Napusaklinga Shabdah. Its Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Relasthanakat. Pathashala is Akaranta Strilinga Shabdah and its Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Pathashalayaha. Nadi is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdah. Its Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Nadyaha. Let us see some more sentences. मिहिरः ग्रन्थालयं गच्छति. ग्रन्थालयात् गृहम् आगच्छति. Mihir goes to the library. He comes home from the library. Granthalayat means from the library. Avani mandiram gacchati. Mandirat griham agacchati. Avani goes to the temple. She comes home from the temple. Mandirat means from the temple. Mahila vatikam gacchati. Vatikayaha griham agacchati. The woman goes to the garden. She comes home from the garden. Vatikayaha means from the garden. Pitamahah nagarim gacchati. Nagaryaha griham agacchati. Grandfather goes to the city. He comes home from the city. Nagaryaha means from the city. So in these words, Granthalayah is a Akaranta Pullinga Shabdah. Its Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Granthalayat. Mandiram is a Akaranta Napusaklinga Shabdah and its Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Mandirat. Vatika is a Akaranta Strilinga Shabdah and its Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Vatikayaha. Nagari is a Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdah and its Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes Nagaryaha. कृतिः शिक्षकः शब्दं वदति छात्राः शब्दरूपं वदन्ति. Here we have to make Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of the words given on the page number 24 and exercises O, A, E and E. So here is the page number 24 and exercises O, A, E and E. So in first column these all are Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. In second column it is Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of these words. And in the third column meanings of the words after making Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam. So Hastaha becomes Hastat, meaning from hand. Falakaha becomes Falakat, meaning from the board. Margaha becomes Margat, meaning from the road. Parvataha becomes Parvatat, meaning from the mountain. Asandaha becomes Asandat, meaning from the chair. Ghataha becomes Ghatat, meaning from the pot. Karanaha becomes Karanat, meaning from an ear. Vidyalayah becomes Vidyalayat, meaning from the school. So these all are Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Now same for Akaranta Napusaklinga Shabdaha. These all are Shabdaha. These all are Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of these words, and in the third column meaning of the words after making Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Patram, Patrat, meaning from the vessel. Dwaram becomes Dwarat, meaning from the door. Mukham becomes Mukhat, meaning from the mouth. Pushpam becomes Pushpat, meaning from a flower. Phalam becomes Phalat, meaning from a fruit. Shakam becomes Shakat, meaning from the vegetable. Pustakam becomes Pustakat, meaning from the book. Panakam becomes Panakat, meaning from the drink. Dugdham becomes Dugdhat, meaning from the milk. Udyanam becomes Udyanat, meaning from the park. Now Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Yatha Pathashala becomes Pathshalayaha. Let us make. Mapika becomes Mapikayaha, meaning from the ruler. Nasika becomes Nasikayaha, means from the nose. Nalika becomes Nalikayaha, means from the tube. Margika becomes Margikayaha, meaning from the street. Manjusha becomes Manjushayaha, meaning from the box. Sharkara becomes Sharkarayaha, meaning from the sugar. These all are Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam of these words. Now Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Yatha Nadi becomes Nadyaha in Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam. So Kartari becomes Kartaryaha, meaning from the scissors. Marjani becomes Marjanyaha, meaning from the broom. Lekhani becomes Lekhanyaha, meaning from the pen. Punhapurani becomes Punhapuranyaha, meaning from the refill. So in the next part we will study 8.6.2 and Bhashabhyasaha of this lesson. Link to the playlist has been given in the description box. If you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namaha, Punah Milamaha, Dhanyavadah.